Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi viewers, this video is very interesting and informative for learner. In this video, you may learn how to joint writing in English. Before proceeding my video, I want to request to you like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that the next video of my channel you will be received. So let's start to the topic, the joint writing in English. Before in joint writing, we have to enough practice in joint writing alphabets. So before joint writing, we may write A like this. A, and A. In joint writing, we may write A like this, not that. So let's practice of alphabets with tail. B. A tail shows when we have wrote in joint right. Yeah. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have wrote here 5 times. You can wrote as you can. C. We may write C like this. C, and 3. E. Not E, like 3. D. After C, we may write D. Our tail must be short when we have in practicing of joint writing alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times I have wrote. E. F. We may write F like this. F. And G. In joint writing, we may write like this. G. After G, H. I. In joint writing, we may write I like this. I. You may practice this so that your joint writing in English must be improved. J. Today in this video, you may learn only how to write joint writing alphabets. H. After J, I write here K. L. M. In joint writing, we may write like this. After M, we may write N. Here I want to share with you a technical and tips type. If you have practiced like this, and like this, then you can write easily joint writing in English. O. O. First you show like a tail. You may show O like with a tail. P. 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 Pronunciation is P. Also accurate your pronunciation if you have not a good pronunciation. Q. 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 After Q we write R. 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 R and R. S. S. After S we may write T. 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 U. U. V. V. Like this. V. If you have enough practice, then you can write joint writing in English. Now write here W. W. And normal we have put like this, and in joint writing we may write like this. W. X. In joint writing we may write X like this. I hope you will have to know how to joint writing in English. Y. After X we may write Y like this. Y. 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 Z. We may write Z like this. Like this. If you have tail, then you have properly wrote. So we are ending today. In this video we have learned how to put alphabet in joint writing. So I hope you will like and share my video. So we may have enough practice daily, so that our joint writing in English will be improved.